Okay, so in the previous video, we ran into a bug in the transpiler, core from transpiler. And I need to think how to proceed. I have not cheated, I have not solved it, but I've been thinking about a path forward. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up this repo. We're going to reproduce this bug, a minimal example, and then we're going to see how does the JavaScript version of PureScript do it. How does that deal with these types? This is what was called type class constructors. Because they're not being exported and they're not included in that. So might be that they're just not invoked. So yeah, let's see. The issue is, to be clear, yeah, exactly here. Issue is it's referenced here, but it's not exported. And I mean, it doesn't do anything here. So it might be that it's just not included in the code. Actually, before, I just want to take a quick look because I'm pretty sure this is annotated in the core event. So we have effect here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a look at this thing. Let's see, core event here. Yeah, effect. And this thing. What? Oh, there we go. So this is this thing here. Var identifier is new type. Okay. But okay, so but we don't know that it's a new type. Type class constructor. It might not be important. So yeah, so I'm super curious because then solution might be for these. Just not include them. We already do that anyway, but in the prim module. Okay, so all right, let's drop out of this. Okay. So in here we have, the reason I was switched is because we have like these this code here. That is, yeah, it's easier. Okay. So let's see, do I have like a tasks, build, run? Okay, cool. I think we can remove all of this. Let's think. Okay, just gonna remove. Oh, sorry, is there a main here? No main. Yeah, there it was actually. It was right there. Cool. Okay, and I'm just gonna do like this, and let's build this. Cool. Actually, let's great, and let's take a look here. Let's format this. Okay, cool. All right. Sure, whatever. And let's see. Do I have like do I have a means to run this? 42. Where is that? run scratchpad REPL this thing. There we go. Okay. We pretty print whatever this thing is. Cool. Great. Don't need to look at that. And okay, don't care about that either. Oh, wait, what? What's oh? Like, what is it? Why is it empty? Okay, there we go. Okay, all right, cool. We need to, in order to reproduce this, I know we're just going to start. I buy. I'm just going to do like my module A, and I don't need this class. My class, I think it's I don't know, I'm just going to do something like this. And let's take a quick look at let's just take a quick look at, we created a PureScript STL3 experiment. We got abstract. Okay, so we have one of these. So let's just see. I think if we start there, I think we're going to see. Wait. What? Wait, if I do, I'm sorry, if I do this. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Whatever. And this is my module A. Build. Okay. So now my module, and let's expand this. Okay. So here. No. How did I do that? Okay. Fold recursively. Okay. My method, right? But this thing, this thing is not exported, but this thing is. Okay. All right. So now the question is, okay. So how is this? How? And it was in effect. Pure lib effect, and it was this here. Okay, an instance of this thing. Okay, cool. So we'll create I think actually it might be possible to do in here. Did I name it functor? No, in my class. Okay. My class A. And how did we do it here? We just imported oops, there we go. Just imported everything. And let's see here. Where are you? So this, okay. My class A. Well, we're gonna need this, some type, and I think what is this gonna say? This polymorphic kinds. Right, okay, I think if we do this, yeah, that's great. Okay, cool. So now type and okay. So I think and what are you saying? Oh, right. My method. Okay. So now here's an interesting question. We build this. We can remove this, I think. and remove this. Okay, so now we got this thing here. Let's do this again. Whoops. Exports. My method. And this is the type class is new type. Okay. It doesn't say type. Wait, sorry. Type class. There we go. Why did I miss that? Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. Cool. All right. So this thing is here. It's a new type. And so we're going to see this here. We're going to see a new type. Yeah, exactly. Cool. This thing is here. It's not exported. Now in here, this thing is referenced, but it doesn't exist anywhere. So I think we reproduced the issue. And if we run this, yeah, okay. We reproduced the issue. Great. Now what I am curious about is what do the JavaScript, I'm gonna try this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, cool. Let's get you back. Okay, I think, yeah, okay. Ooh, wait, what? Look at this. Look at what? What is this? Oh, then wait a minute. That's weird. What? I'm sorry. It's different. What? It's different. Why? Wait a minute. So now, I'm sorry, let me think here. So you, okay. Okay. I'm sorry, am I, oh, no. Okay, no. I'm looking in the wrong one. Pfft. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh my God. I was like, what? Okay. We still have this here. Oh, okay. So yeah. Okay. And this here. Okay. So. Right. The new type one is not even here. It's not even. Yeah. They just ignored it. Huh. That's interesting. They just ignored it. Yeah, okay, interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Okay. All right. And I'm curious, what happens? What happens if I okay. Let's think here. Let's see what happens if we do this. New type, my type, I don't know. Also something like this. Okay. So if we build it, now we forgot to build it. Where are you? It probably should just be GAS here actually, because I think we still get, let me see. We still get, no we don't. Okay, that's good to know. Didn't know that. Did not know that. Okay, well then let's do another one. Okay, cool. All right, so, okay, now we have I'm sorry, this doesn't help because, well, because it should be, well, actually, I think we can, it'll be interesting to see. I'm sure it's still exporting it. So in here, my type, yeah, and it's like one of these, my type, yeah, and this is the new type, right? Doesn't say here. What about here? Meta, yeah, exactly. Okay, interesting. All right. Okay. Well, okay. So I'm interested in another thing then. Let's just we're just gonna do this, and we're going to do my type A. New type my type A string. Great. Okay. So let's see here. So here, if I say so, this is going to be interesting. So okay. So we're gonna do, let's jump in here. Where are you? Let's do both. Let's just, why not? There we go. And okay, just to be safe. Build everything, cool. All right. Okay, let's think. So another question is, we're invoking this here. I am super curious. Where's main? Oh, look at that. Okay. All right. Okay. Interesting. Doesn't do anything. Now, surely the constructor is exported, right? My module A. But, yeah, exactly. It's exported because, I mean, you'd have to, right? Because maybe you want to map over a list or something. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so we can solve this by, one is we, instead of doing, where are you? There you are. Yep. Instead of doing this thing here, we simply remove the new type in the output. So like, okay, so let's look here. So here, we're calling this. So if we do this right, it should only say hello. And then I guess if we see the is new type, is type class constructor, like, where is it? this thing here. No need to do this. I mean, yeah, because yeah, they don't do it. Okay. All right, cool. I'm gonna write down to do here so I don't forget. To do, remove direct calls invocations. Is this? I think it's C. Invocations of. Is it C? Invocation? Feels right. C. Invocation. Okay. Of new type constructors. To do. What? Didn't I, I'm sorry, I thought I added optimize, okay, to do, where are you? Oh, because, okay, fine. Optimize, remove definitions of type class constructors and oh yeah, to do remove new type optimization in prim.cm because we're not going to need that anymore. Okay, cool. So let's do this. I don't need this anymore. Get away from me. All right. Okay, so all right. This is going to be interesting. Okay. So I think we can expand this. Let's think here now. So what are we doing here? This is JSON Corfin binder. This is for pattern matching. Corfin expression might be. Let's see here. We got an application here. So I think you want like an intervention here. I think so. So I'm gonna do this. We're just gonna copy this here. Let's see. Annotation. Okay. So the annotation. Okay. Let's see. I don't think we care about this annotation. I think we can remove it. Annotation here. Okay. And let's see this. Where? Okay. Can I? I'll probably see it. There. Okay. So. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this because there's too much information. That's not it. Okay, maybe this is it actually. I don't think so though. No, actually I know. I know how to do this. There we go. I want to. Okay, let's just search for the. No. There we go. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. There we go. Cool. Now we got only what we want. Great. Okay, so here's an application. This annotation has no interesting information. Okay, so where are you? There. We do not care about that. But we do care about this abstraction here. The abstraction is a variable. Okay, so copy this here. Variable. Okay, so we're not going to care about this. Variable annotation meta. Okay. Okay, annotation. Okay, go away. Annotation meta, right? Meta. No, hopefully this will not blow up because meta is a. Oh, it's a macro, so it's probably fine. Okay. And then what did it say? It said meta type. So I think here is new type. I have no idea if this is going to work. I am shooting from the hip right now. Okay, so if I see this variable, means I don't actually know, do underscores work here? Because I wrote this pattern matcher. Let's just do this for now. Okay, here's the argument. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make, is there like a make literal maybe? Make atomic expression, cool. Make atomic numeric, cool. So I am going to do this. And I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. So this will be interesting. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. I am shooting from the hip right now. Okay. Exception symbol symbol ref cell. Type var value blah blah blah. It's not a symbol. Okay. We're type bar. Oh, so what, you can't do that? What? Really? I thought, no, wait, of course you can. You can't do that? Oh, wait. Oh, bro, of course not. We are missing. There, we're gonna, and okay, let's see, app, what is it called? Did I? Oh yeah, because I recompiled it. Okay. There we go. Type var. No, app. Sorry, we're in app. Abstraction. Right. Abstraction. Okay, I don't, oh yeah, I know what this is now. We don't need this. There we go. Cool. I think this is gonna work. It worked. Now I am super curious. Look at this. My man. All right, cool. Now, I need to just and make sure that I just need to make sure that we don't accidentally, okay, remove, yeah, good. Okay, cool, that's great. Let's bring this thing back. Okay, that's pretty cool. Cool. Well, this is not what we want. We want the argument. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we need to, this is a recursive thing, so we need to work through that. There we go. And there we go. Cool. Awesome. So if we run this now, there we go. Nice. Awesome. That was easy. Okay. Done. So what we'll do is we'll just first do this thing. Fix. Right, or don't. No, horse. There we go. All right. And then we need to, then we'll might as well fix this one. Where are you to do? I don't need this anymore. Prim. App. Okay. So, all right, so we don't need this anymore. This is done, I'd say. Right? Yeah. Okay. Which means that we no longer need the lookup, which means that we no longer need syntax case. We can use syntax rules. There we go. So this thing disappears and so there we go, and this thing disappears and we can just put it on one line. Oh no, we'll do this. This looks good. Cool. Let's build this again. What? Oh my god. Not in the output. We need to do it. Where are you? Here. There we go. Oops. Okay. Build. Good. And run. Awesome. Oh, that means that we can now. So this identify role question. I don't think we need this anymore. No, it's only invoked here. Now we do still need this, but we don't need this anymore. New type role. We don't need this anymore. So we don't need this anymore. Oh yeah, right. Okay, yeah. I have a warning in here. Don't know if I should have that, but yeah, I mean, it's a warning like, why are you invoking new type constructors? You're probably doing something wrong. I don't know that. I think you should be able to, yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we ever run into this. Okay. Well, why is this, might as well be syntax rules. There we go. Cool. Okay, we're gonna do this so I don't miss it in the future. There we go. Cool. Okay. New type. Yeah. Great. So it doesn't really do anything now, but who knows? Maybe we would want it to do something in the future. Okay. Great. and run this. Cool. Whatever. Okay. And so we're done with this. Now there's still the sort of the issue of, I mean, it's not an issue, but it's unnecessary code. This does not need to be defined. So, okay. So let's take a look at that. Again, just gonna double check. This thing, yeah, doesn't have that even. So, okay. Let's super quickly, where are you? Okay. Oh. There we go. And this has the, right. Okay. Interesting. All right. It's going to be super interesting. I'm not sure which is supposed to be in here. I think what we want, let's minimize this for now. Here, I think this is it. Let's see, declarations. Okay, so we're getting the decals. Okay, let's think here. Okay, we got bind type. I mean, this should, yeah, non-rec, yeah. No, this, okay, so we have, yeah. So if there's a bind type and it's rec, then we do something else. Okay. So now, okay, so we're picking out the expression here. What we want is here we want to pick out the annotation. I'm curious if there maybe we should have like a pattern matching here actually. Because this, what are we doing here exactly? We are, oh right, that's why we have a recursion here, because I remember now. Because if you have if you have a rec, yeah, exactly, you need the, if it's a recursive, you can have mutual recursion between multiple procedures, and they are in like a, yeah, you have like a nested list, so it's sort of flattened because Lisp can handle that anyway. So okay, so that means that when we do this, we come, that's why we're checking if there's a bind type. Okay, because I think in here there's no bind types within these. Okay, so whatever happens, we're going to end up here. Cool. So then, yeah. So what we should do here is we again, so this is the only thing that should disappear from here. So we need to look up. Okay. So we'll clean this up later. But right now, let's okay. Get me if this annotation, right? Annotation. Yeah. If annotation and here meta I am just assuming that these exist. I don't know if I can assume that. Can I assume that? I mean, what does this have? Meta? No, it doesn't. No. It will have an annotation, but it might not have a meta. Okay. So we can't assume this. I think actually if there is a meta there, it will be, I don't remember exactly how null is represented. Let's do, no, sorry, let's do this. Okay, I'm just gonna run a build, cool, and I'm gonna, oops, I think we have dbg in here, actually. Because I think I saw that hash table, okay, cool, good. Okay, huh, wait, so, okay, no, yeah, that's right. Okay, true. So there's always an annotation. But now, what happens if I do this? Meta. Okay, let's null. Oh, it's a symbol null. Okay, cool. Annotation meta. Great. Whoops. Let's see. Okay. So. Okay. So I'm just gonna sort of explore my way forward here. When unless we got ourselves a hash table. Let's do no hash table keys. So right. I think it was like meta type. Actually, I might as well print this out. I think it's meta type. What? Huh? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, because I'm not printing it out. Lol. Pretty print, of course. not doing anything with it. There we go. Meta type, that's right. Okay, cool. And right, that's just the entries. That's just the entries. Okay, cool. So let's see here. Now, this is interesting because I'm not sure if we know that there's always a meta type. So we're living fast and dangerous here. Meta type. So I'm not going to do an assert here actually. Instead, what I am going to do, we need to be careful here. There we go. I'm not going to do an assert. Let's see here. Okay, so we got meta type. That would be a string. Okay, so actually we can just do this. We can actually do this. When hash table, I'm pretty sure that's going to work. Let's just print this, everything's fine, okay. And symbolize of ref meta type equal, okay. And it's like is type class. There. Is type class constructor. So, okay, I'm going to do this, but then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment out this expression. I'm just going to keep this, and I'm going to print this. There we go. Is type class constructor. Cool. Awesome. All right. All right. So if I think it's so let's see here, decals. So let's see, we have this thing here. Okay, cool. So it's basically just loop color decals ack, so we don't keep it, and then this expression goes here. Great. I think it's gonna work. This thing is gone now. It runs. Cool. I mean, I am shooting from the hip. You know, it's just me here. I'm just having fun. I don't care. It's fine. I mean, I mean, I love Lisp, but like this is part of why I want PureScript, because this type of stuff is like, I mean, you can see this is like, you know, we're living dangers here. This is yeah, you don't want to build a big project this way. Lisp is absolutely awesome for like experimenting and like, yeah, like things like this match here. That's not part of the language. That's just it's just a syntax I defined, and you know, I was like, and I took this expression from another module, and I thought, oh, you know, I'm working with all these hash tables. So I did was I added like a keyword called hash table, so you can match on hash tables. I mean, that's pretty cool. But yeah, building anything serious, I would like to have the Haskell experience. I want them both. I want both of these. Okay, I think we solved this. So let's just commit this. Yeah, done. Cool. Don't define type class constructors. Great, awesome. Now, question is, if we jump on over to, oh yeah, mustn't forget. There we go. Cool. We can remove this. Great. Cool. So I actually don't know how to update a Git module. How do we update a Git module? Let's I know that it can be done, of course. I've done it before. Okay. So this will pull and push me. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, cool. So now, I cheated a little bit there. What? Wouldn't I have to? Wait. This might be pointing to a particular commit, actually. Where are you? There? No, it's not. No, wait a minute. That's interesting. That's kind of dangerous, actually. So, wait, so you're not pointing to... Because here... This is pointing to a commit. Not here. That's it. What? Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, whatever. How do I okay, drop this. And okay, I can keep that, whatever. So, okay, let's just go to that. Git submodule update or something. There we go. Git submodule update command actually tells Git that you want your submodules to each check out the commit or specified index of superprimary. Is directly in the submodule. Okay. I don't know what this is. I did not do that. Oh, okay. So, oops. Is that what you did? Git pull, maybe? Yeah, okay. Let's try this. What? No, you're not up to date. Yeah, you are. Okay. Okay, you are up to date. I'm just surprised. Okay, oh, maybe that's, okay, update. It's like stage, maybe? Okay, update module. Okay. All right, Okay, I thought... Yeah, okay, whatever. Alright, okay, maybe. I don't... No! What the hell is this? Okay, so this is the new commit, I guess. Okay, let's just check here that there's no... I've never done this before, so okay, there's nothing else here being... Okay, cool. Alright, let's try... Let's just run this. Now it's working. Cool. Whew, Jesus. That was interesting. Yeah, it's gone now. Great. Oh. What's happening here? It's doing... No, yeah, it's constructing this map. Okay, never mind. All right. Okay. Well, yeah, I think that's... so let's... whatever. And let's just finish up the stuff we were doing. I don't want this to be called abstract. I think I'm gonna, like, it's making me angry. I almost said it's it's not nice. We're gonna follow the convention used in PureScript. But for now, we're going to there we go, and now we run, and everything's working. Awesome. Yeah, cool. We got the new prim and everything, right? Yeah, awesome. Need to go over all these changes. Jesus. We are we're not committing that. Yeah, looks good. Clear depends on and include the FFI. Yeah, looks good. Okay. So this thing, it's good for now. Again, we're gonna split it up. I just want closure for this video. It's called IO. We're gonna change that later to effect. Okay. The IO utilities, and we got a little prelude here. We discard. Yeah. IO. Yeah, utility. There we go. Main. Yeah, it's good. And am I using this even? Am I even using this? Yeah, hello, of course. Cool. One last run. Great. No, it's not a refactor. It is. There we go. Whew, cool. We got an end to this video. Thank you.